What is signature capture? Signature capture is a simple and easy application which transforms your device into a signature pad for user to draw the signature. It's easy to use and operate on the same mobile computer without extra costs. It supports signature verification in English, traditional Chinese, simplified Chinese, and Japanese based on the user's demand. The canvas for signature capture can be drawn by using fingers, stylus pen, or even gloves on a rain day. Open signature capture. Sign on the screen. Click confirm. Click save. Click cancel. Click OK. Click the menu. Click settings. Tap on file format. And select the preferred format. Tap on JPEG image. You can set the JPEG quality by dragging the slider. Click the menu. Tap on reset. Click OK. Signature capture has completed.